Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking this Vax Dynamo cordless 18 volt rechargeable vacuum cleaner, model number h85db18. First of all, the instruction book. A little cohesive tool and dusting brush. A bracket and a screw. The charger. The main head, and the vacuum cleaner main body. The handle on this one just bends up. You can press the button for storage to bend it back down. And the head just clips on the bottom. This off. And that gets that working. You can, if you want, remove this. So you have got a hand back as well if you want to. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.